How to buy avatars on PlayStation 5. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video and today I'm going to show you the ways to buy avatar on PS5 or PlayStation 5. To do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now to do this procedure, first thing first, go ahead and open up your device and then click the profile from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Once you click on the profile, then you could see a pop-up menu which has a multiple options such as online status, profile, trophies, switch user, all that. Go to profile, and when you go to profile you could see this page, so click on the pencil shape icon next to it. When you go to profile, then you'll be able to find multiple options. One more time, underneath you want to go to avatar. Once you go to avatar, you'll be able to find different options. So basically you do not need to buy avatar on PlayStation 5, so you could go ahead and select any of these avatar that you like, and that is the way you could go ahead and get avatar on PlayStation 5. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.